Welcome to the quiz world. Food Zoom quiz. Can you identify it? Guess the food by close-up. 25 quizzes, let's get started. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz World channel for more exciting quizzes. First question, can you name this food? It's pizza. Can you guess this crispy snack? French fries. What dessert is this creamy texture? Cheesecake. Identify this fruit from the close-up. It's kiwi. What is this bubbly drink close-up? Cola, good job. Guess this layered sweet dessert. Trifle. What veggie is this zoom texture? It's broccoli. What bread is shown in this image? Croissant. Can you tell what meat this is? It's bacon. Question 10. What type of pasta is this close up? Spaghetti. What snack has this crispy coating? Chicken nugget. Which frozen treat is shown close up? Ice cream. What dessert has this sticky texture? Cinnamon roll. What sweet has these fluffy layers? Tiramisu. Which nutty snack is this close up? Almond brittle. Guess the food from this outer layer. Samosa. What food is topped with this sauce? Lasagna. What fruit is this close-up of? Strawberry. What sweet roll is this texture from? Cinnamon bun. What dish has this close-up grain? Biryani. What snack has this gooey center? Mozzarella stick. What seafood is this zoomed-in view? Shrimp. What sweet has this sparkling look? Rock candy. What drink is this carbonated close-up? Root beer. What breakfast food is this texture? Pancake. Pick your next challenge and make sure like and subscribe.